Hello, this is Meghna. Since we heard the news about Sushant Singh Rajput's suicide yesterday, many are speaking about the importance of mental health, about depression. Great move, finally. We are discussing this now not because the one who passed away is a star. In fact, there are many people who are ending up their lives this way every day. Some we know and some we don't. But Sushant stood as a classic example, letting us know how fragile life is. What not he had: a quality education, luxurious life, money, talent, success, attention, fame, connections with big people. These are the things we usually consider to be the greatest success in life, right? But had anything of those helped him not to lose hope and not to end his life with his own hands? Certainly not. Don't get me wrong, I'm not trying to say that it is nothing to have all these in life and people who attained it are not called successful. They are. It is actually nothing if we are not peaceful and going through a poor mental health and battling with depression. At that time, nothing seems as success and nothing helps us to be happy. Guys, listen. Mental health is the most underrated thing which maximum of us hardly pay attention to. Depression is so real and it has to be eliminated from whoever is suffering. See, depression doesn't really look like a statue or a synonym of pain and grief and agony. It's even close to impossible to identify someone going through it by just looking onto their faces. It is deep. It can only be tackled by the interaction of two people, the sufferer and the comforter. The cure is that to talk, to put the pain out in words, to express, to seek professional help if needed. Discussing our mental health is never a shame, but we need to be little more understanding and sensible here. It is easy for us to tell the sufferers just to communicate, but they must be going through a phase where they no longer believe in communicating, where they left with too many insecurities to put them forth, where they must have tired and lost hope. But as it is life, there is always a hope alive. There is you, the comforter, a friend of her, a family member, a well wisher, a partner, a teacher, a classmate, a neighbor, whosoever you are. All they need from you is just a ray of hope. A hope to live, a hope to fight their battles with a belief that they are not alone in it. All we need to do is to lend our hands without judging them as we never lived their life. Give them our shoulder to cry in peace. Tell them that we rather would prefer listening to all their stories and be by their side than watching them drown in worst possible situations. Make them believe that we are there for them. Tell them that it is not the end. Because at the end of the day, what we all need is an assurance that there is someone to listen to us, to understand us, to comfort us, and to love us. Remember, if there is anything that is very important in life, it is the life itself. Whatever may happen, the life must go on. After 5 years, you would laugh at your problems, which seem to be the biggest hurdles of your life today. After all, you are a wonderful creature on this planet and you deserve to live. Look after your mental health, prioritize your peace, prioritize your happiness, spread love and receive it. If at all you don't like a person, you hate a person, stay away from them. Don't think of them, but do not talk behind their back and do not spread negativity and make their lives miserable. If you do so, you'll end up being a reason in someone's life to lose hope in humans and on life. Let's not judge anyone. We just don't know whether it takes more strength to live or to hang ourselves to death with our own hands. We just don't know. But all we know is to be there for each other, and let's do it without any hesitation while we could. This corona time, this quarantine has given us a pause in our lives, and let's utilize it to analyze ourselves. Because depression is really common. Please reach to your closed ones if you notice even a small change in their behavior or a struggle in their life. If your mere words, your little time, your sensible approach actually filled someone with hope on life to see another day and not to end it up, then that really worth it than anything in this world. Live, laugh, and love, and just be there for each other. Because there is nothing more important than a life. Just sharing this as I felt it is necessary right at the moment and never so late. And you can also share it if you felt it is worth sharing with your loved ones. Thank you.